back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to plan a reading list in Readwise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to plan a reading list in Readwise, all you can do is simply go to Readwise. Once you're in your Readwise, you can plan a reading list in Readwise by using the Readers app's filtering feature. You can simply use this feature, which will allow you to create dynamic lists by filtering saved content or by using the tagging system to label articles and books you want to read later. So for RSS feeds and newsletters, you need to organize them into folders with the feed section. You need to use Reader to organize your reading. You need to use the folders for content from feeds, use filtered reviews for your saved contents, and you can also use tags to create a to be read list. So you need to simply use this thing and you can plan a reading list in Readwise. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.